WDSU First Warning Weather Impact Day. You can start to see that we've got the impacts from the fires, unfortunately, still in Southern California. For us, it's more about rain. Gosh, Southern California could really use what we've got here. And let's go to WDSU First Warning Weather Doppler radar to show where that rain is at this time and where it's moving. You can see that we've got that rain that's moving kind of in a southwest to northeasterly fashion. And there are some pockets of moderate showers and heavier downpours here and there. And that starts to show up in the brighter colors there with your guide at the top left-hand part of the screen. And where we've got those pockets of heavier showers starting to show up, just moving into parts of Jefferson Parish in the West Bank, Harahan, Marrero, some pockets of some steadier downpours that we have going on there. Let's switch over to our WDSU First Warning Weather Doppler radar, and we're going to find out that that is giving us a little bit more resolution at some of those pockets of heavier rain. You can see that closer to our radar site here. And steady rain going to lower Plaquemines, Boothville, Venice. We've got a pocket of heavy rain that just moved through Thibodaux and Ahoma, but this is just rain at this time. There isn't much more than that. No thunder to be expected with it. Let's kind of recap what we did for temperatures today, and it was a cold start to it. A 29 to the North Shores, Bogalusa to Hammond, 34 here in town. We still have yet to freeze officially here in New Orleans this season. Belle Chase, though, Terrytown, I saw frosty morning from our friends in there and tweeting out here today and sending those through social media. 32 Belle Chase, but look at the top temps, only around 50. Typical high 62 for the time of the year, but we are at our climatological minimum. Give it another couple of weeks and our high temperature starts to rise. Real-time temps 40s and 50s, that little bit of a breeze is increasing too, so it's kind of nasty. Okay, it's not really good. That's the only way to look at it here. Look at the bigger picture for us, and there's the satellite radar together, and we've got this system developing that's just upon us here. There's another cold front from the north, but this is our rainmaker here that gives us the rain tonight. Tomorrow morning starts to wind down. Then we bring in the chill that's thereafter, so it's going to be a chilly forecast. We're not going to warm up anytime soon, but I do see a little warmer air, and I'll show you that coming up. And we look at Doppler radar, how it lines up with the forecast. Lines up pretty well. There could be some heavier downpours developing here tonight, and this is late night, overnight towards tomorrow morning. Don't think we get any thunder out of this, but it looks to be south shore and along the coast. That's where we could have that heaviest rain. Did you see that brief build up there of that heavy rain as we get to the early morning hours? But there's still a little light rain, maybe drizzle to the morning hours, but it definitely means wet roads tomorrow. Because of the rain, because of the wet roads, we're going to make that an impact day. It could slow you down. This forecast and the latest that's just come in shows the heavier rain and the possibility more of it along the coast. That lines up exactly from the Weather Prediction Center's forecast that shows the likelihood of maybe over an inch to maybe 2 going to the south shore. And that Monday morning drive is why we've made it an impact, a cold rain and wet roads for sure. There's a bit of a breeze that picks up too. Winds 10 to 20 and some gusts a little higher. Obviously not the best to be on local water. Small craft advisories kicking in at 6 to 9. Going through Tuesday. Tomorrow morning, a chilly day with that rain in place. And again, the impacts for the wet roads, the breeze, the chill, and the clouds, which is why I've made it an impact day tomorrow. Cloudcast, getting into our Tuesday forecast. Unfortunately, I think we keep some clouds here. We're into about mid-50s for highs there on Monday, so it's a chilly day. Breeze is still around. Tuesday going to keep those clouds here too, and we're going to see those temperatures pretty similar, stuck into those mid-50s. I mean, we're just not warming up anytime soon. However, that's going to be a different scenario once we get to the end of the week. There's the chill that's here. We're going to bring a little milder air as we go into Friday, but that's also going to bring a rain chance here too. So the WDSU First Warning Weather 7-day forecast, impact day for the rain, the cold tomorrow. Then we've got a chilly week ahead. The brief warm up Friday into the next weekend, but that could bring around a thunderstorms as we warm up too.